Hey, I'm Fish. It's the wee hours in the morning, and I'm all defaulted the camera, and I updated to the latest firmware. And I will say this: I am pretty happy with it. I see they've changed something where when I went outside to do my drone video or my car video, I noticed during the daytime that my screen dimmed down. It also dims down when I plug in the OTC cable to the USB-C port to the PC, and you see the connections dim. That I don't mind. I like the colors of it, saying it's in green, and yeah, you got it. So let's tell you what I'm using right now. I'm using an Tech microphone. It's a wireless mic on the side. I'm not sure what is set on. And the microphone is moving up and down. We have the camera set up, and I will tell you the settings in a few seconds. We are heading on out. All right, the camera came on, and I talked within about a second's time, and we are on 4K, 24 frames per second. That should stop the flickering when I show you any lights. Sharpness says -1, reduction says 0. Right. So yeah, my camera comes on. I told you I'm on 4K 24, rock steady, sharpness -1, which whatever that means on the camera. They don't know if it's medium. It's definitely could be low. I don't know. Do you know?